Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I want to talk about my first photo shoot in LA with a medium format camera and how I went about setting that up and some photos from it. In terms of setting up this first photo shoot, I basically just reached out, offered to give a shoot for free since I don't have a portfolio and wanted to build that. They were kind enough to agree to do the shoot, and so I basically just scheduled some time during the week for them to come to my place and hope for some good photos. As far as light goes, I used only natural light, and I have a linen curtain in front of my windows, and I was basically just banking on that, diffusing the light enough. I do have a light here for YouTube videos, and I have a small flash, but I was really reliant on this diffused lighting from just the curtains. In terms of outfits, I basically just suggested a lot of natural earth tones, so some green, brown, then black, white, and then let them kind of handle the rest. I did give some inspiration for the type of outfits, but I gave them a lot of flexibility in choosing the outfits themselves. As far as locations in the apartment, it's a one bedroom, and so I just used lots of locations right by the curtain. So the couch, I have a small lounge chair, and then we ended up going to a nearby park and just utilizing some nature out there for the rest of the shoot. I did shoot this with the GFX 100 Mark II, and I also had a lot of notes for different poses and different shots that I wanted. But again, a lot of this was very experimental for me and giving them a lot of flexibility since they had done this before. So here are some example shots from the shoot that I liked, but you can find the rest of the shots on my website in the description below. I'll put those up there eventually.
Fall to the ground. I'm the cold that shields the rain, to keep you dry, you never will complain. You don't need me in the sun, and I can't feel that way, building every day, but I will stay. Stay where you need me. Know my heart made my foundation shake, but I won't change till you tell me. Away, I walk the halls to make sure you are safe, but you are fast asleep. I'm the pill that hides the pain, I pick you up and wash the hurt away.
That's it for this video, really. If you have any more specific questions, feel free to drop a comment below. My Instagram is in the description. You can DM me on there. I'd love to hear your thoughts or answer any more specific questions that you have about my approach and like what I had in the notes for the shoot, that sort of thing. That's it for this video though. Thanks for watching. Until next time.